Today guys I will show you one of the easiest solutions that may help you to solve your TikTok sound removed problem. So go directly open your settings of your phone, click on apps option, and right now search for TikTok and click. So guys, right now you're gonna find this list of options. Just come to storage and click clear cache in the corner of the screen. Back right now, click on force stop and click OK. And right now just you have to restart your phone. After that, if you still have sound removed, go to this support of TikTok and you should explain your problem to them, and sure that will help you and solve your problem. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.